Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the patch function on the Facelab application if you want to replace a particular area on your picture with another one in case of having an imperfection on your skin, for example. You can edit your selfies. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the picture that you want to edit. Slide to the right side of the screen till you find the patch section, so tap on it. And after that, you should zoom in and select the part that you want to get rid of or edit. So you should brush over that area, and after that, select another part of your selfie that you want to replace that particular area with. So highlight the area you want to fix and then move your finger around the photo to pick a replacement. After that, you should tap on this checkmark icon next to the scale, and here you can see the result. If you tap on this button next to the patch icon, you can see the comparison between the original copy and the final copy. The result, you can select the opacity and you can also flip it. If you tap on the heal button, you can use this magic heal button, and if you select a particular area, you wipe across it, you can see how it looks like. So it will do the adjustment automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.